Hey there, it's Jordan over at Families of Character. Do you wonder what the Family Huddle is all about? You've probably heard us talk about it or read about it on our site. We think it is the cornerstone of family unity and having peace and freedom back in your home. So let me tell you just briefly how to get your Family Huddle started. Pick a day and time each week that you are going to get your entire family together and huddle up team style. At our house, we chose Sundays at 6:30 p.m. Why? Because the first thing you're going to do in your family huddle is review the family calendar. You are going to post your calendar where everyone can see it. At our house, we have a common Google Calendar that we share between my husband and I that is hooked through our cell phones. So what we do is we launch that calendar up on our television in our living room so everyone in the family can see what's going on for the next week. We go day by day and let everyone know what's on their list of things to do or where they're going to go. This is a huge way to unify the family and get everyone on the same page for the days to come. After you've reviewed the family calendar, the second part of the family huddle is getting everyone engaged to work on a common goal. In family life, we can all live under one roof, but what often happens is we build up these individual silos. And so each one of us is doing our own thing for our own good. But because we are living in that silo where we can only really see our own things and ourselves, it breaks down that family unity, the bond that helps you feel like you are part of something bigger than yourself, and that helps you feel like you have people all around you who are supporting you and care about you. So, getting on the same page to work on a goal week to week over the course of 1 month is such a game changer. We have tools that will help you make this so simple. Number one, we have a monthly mini guide. You can buy one singly and work on it for 30 days. And it will help guide your family meetings where you can have a deeper discussion about things like respect, responsibility, self-control, how to be orderly. And each person in your family will set a goal with the help of the guide and work towards that and come back together each week at your family huddle to talk about the progress and really give kudos to each other for what you have accomplished over the past week. Changing bad habits with good habits is such an amazing way for families to grow together. We're not focusing on what you didn't do or the deficits that we've noticed within the family. We are talking all about what you changed, how you improved, and how we believe you are going to just keep doing better and better week after week. So guys, that's it. The family huddle, the formula is simple. The piece that most people fail to do is to commit to the time and place and follow through. So if you are ready to take your team to the next level, kick it up a notch, put the family huddle on your calendar, and start getting your team to victory right away. Do it this week. Don't wait.